Using autotune for your vocals, I'm sure you want it to sound as natural and high quality as possible in your recordings. Today, I'll share a trick that professionals use to get the most out of autotune in their songs. Hi, I'm Ivan, a mixing and mastering engineer at Major Mixing, an online mixing and mastering service. If you need a perfect sound for your song, check out the link below. The trick is simple, and almost every professional artist uses it. Yet I rarely hear people talking about it. Use autotune while recording your vocals. There are two ways to do this, depending on your setup. Option 1 is to monitor autotune in real time while recording if your gear allows it. For example, UAD sound cards support this, letting you hear autotune applied to your voice as you sing. Option 2 is to record your vocals as usual but have autotune already applied to the track. As soon as you finish recording, listen back with autotune to see how it sounds. Autotune settings should not be too aggressive. Use medium settings, set retune speed from 20 to 30, and adjust the scale and timbre based on your song. You might be wondering, why should you use autotune while recording when you can just apply it later while mixing? It has to do with how autotune works, something I have learned from experience. Many engineers and artists have noticed the same thing. Here's the problem. You'll record a vocal take, love it, and think it is perfect. But when you start mixing and apply autotune, Melodyne, or any other pitch correction software, suddenly some parts sound weird and not how you expect it. Even if you're only making slight corrections, fixing note endings, or adjusting by just a half of semitone, sometimes autotune does not work smoothly no matter how hard you try. Now, let's say you recorded a second take that sounds almost identical to the first one. You apply autotune again, and this time everything works perfectly. No weird glitches. Suddenly, you are glad you recorded an extra take. But what's wrong with the first take? Nothing. Sometimes subtle voice variations like natural vibrato, glissando, or pitch fluctuations can throw off pitch correction algorithms. Yet, to the human ear, both takes might sound equally great. This is why monitoring autotune while recording is a game changer. You will immediately hear if there are any autotune issues and can redo the take if needed before you get stuck trying to fix it later. The only way to know if autotune will work smoothly on a vocal is to actually hear it while recording. If you do not do this, you risk sending the track to a mix engineer or mixing it yourself, only to find out later that some parts just will not correct properly, no matter what you try. I would love to play some samples for you, but artists rarely like to share their raw pre-autotune vocals, so you will have to try this trick yourself. Once you do it, you will see how much better your vocal tracks sound in the mix. Subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video. We share a lot of valuable content for artists and music producers, so stick around, check out our other videos, and learn in 10 minutes what took us years of experience to figure out. Have a great day, record the genius song you have been thinking about, and see you soon.